If you suck at baking, this is the ultimate dessert for you. Burnt Basque cheesecake. The word burnt is in it. You can burn this shit, and it's actually correct. You can serve it to your friends. It's supposed to be burnt. Burnt Basque cheesecake. Mm, it's perfectly burnt. Delicious. Couple pieces of parchment, load those in, spray that, and then I drop in a little sugar to help the cake release. I've got cream cheese that's been tempering, so it's really soft room temperature. I integrate some brown sugar and give that a good mix up. I whisk my eggs and pour those in portions. Couple sets of portions. It's about 6 eggs, so I do 2 or 3 additions. From there, I'm going to add in some fresh OJs coming right now, which is great and brings some brightness along with lemon and vanilla. Then I little sea salt. I do my heavy cream in portions. From there, some yummy orange zest. Again, I like that additional flavor so it's not just super bland. When that's all done, I will add a little gluten-free flour. Why not keep it gluten-free? It's such a little bit, it helps to bind the cake. Drop that in your sprayed and sugared pan. You're going to bake at 400 for about 50 to 60 minutes. I keep checking and turning. Then you'll have this perfectly burned cheesecake. If you burned it, you've done it correctly. Give it a slice and give it to your bestie.